Introduction. The story of Noah's Ark has captivated and challenged readers for centuries. Often dismissed as implausible, a closer examination reveals a remarkable testament to human ingenuity, resource management, and potential divine intervention. A key aspect often overlooked is the significant number of animal species that would not have required a place on the Ark, further enhancing the feasibility of this incredible narrative. The Deluge. Water source. The floodwaters arose from a combination of torrential rainfall, the release of vast groundwater reserves, fountains of the deep, and potentially the melting of glaciers or ice caps. Noah's Ark, a lifeboat and ecosystem. Selective boarding. The Ark housed only land animals and birds, as aquatic creatures were equipped to survive in the water. Kinds versus species. Noah likely took a few ancestor kinds of each animal group, significantly reducing the number of animals on board. This aligns with the idea that modern species diversity arose from these original kinds through genetic variation and adaptation after the flood. Life on board. Strategic placement. Birds perched on tiered structures, small creatures inhabited crevices, and nesting animals utilized otherwise wasted space. Young animals. Bringing young animals instead of adults reduced food consumption, space requirements, and aggression. Unclean animal surplus. The extra, clean animals could have served as a food source for predators, minimizing the need for hunting. Top deck garden. A portion of the Ark's top deck was dedicated to cultivating edible plants, providing a sustainable food source for humans and herbivores. Animal waste served as a natural fertilizer. Honeybees. Honeybees provided pollination services for the garden and produced honey, a valuable food source. Timing and divine orchestration. Reproductive readiness. Many animals would have reached reproductive maturity around the time the Ark landed, aligning perfectly with the biblical commandment to be fruitful and multiply, and ensuring the rapid repopulation of the earth. Gestation periods. The gestation periods of many animals would have prevented overcrowding on the Ark, as offspring would be born after disembarking. Survival and adaptation. Freshwater and saltwater separation. The separation of freshwater and saltwater, possibly through mechanisms like estuary formation, allowed for the survival of diverse aquatic species. Abundant fish. The floodwaters teemed with fish, providing a readily available food source for predators on the Ark. Disease control. The limited number of each animal species reduced the risk of disease outbreaks. Conclusion. This reimagined perspective on the flood narrative emphasizes human ingenuity, resource management, and potential divine intervention. It challenges the perception of the Ark as overcrowded and unmanageable, offering a thought-provoking vision that reconciles faith and logic. By weaving together scientific insights, practical considerations, and biblical interpretations, we can arrive at a more nuanced understanding of the flood narrative, one that respects both faith and reason.